Hello guys. So in this video I am going to discuss Java 1.8 version. A topic name is default method inside a interface. Okay. So default method inside interface are came in Java 1.8 version. Okay. So what exactly do you mean by default method? Okay. So before going to definition, let's see how default method work in VS Code, and then we moving back to our definition. Okay. So this is my VS Code, and inside VS Code I take a class default method. Now, okay, I take a interface. Okay, interface intro something name intro. Okay. Now we know that before Java 1.7 version, every class present in interface is always before 1.7 version, every method present in interface is always public or static, whether we're declaring or not. But so this scenario is changed in Java 8 version. We can take default method, we can take static method, even though in Java 1.9 version we can take private method inside interfaces. So how this method will work, I upload one by one video, so we get more clarity about interfaces new concept. Okay. So this is my interface. Now inside interface default method we introduce. What is symbol of default method? We write default void play. Default void play. Okay. System.out.println, and here you can write over here system.out.println. Hello, I am playing. Okay. Now this is a default method, guys. Default method. When in default inside interface we can take default method, and default method, once you take default method, compulsory should provide a method definition, otherwise you get compiled an error. Now how to call this method inside our main classes? So simple. You can write over simple. You can write implement uh, implements in plus. Okay, guys. Now I take a main method public string var main string arrangement. Now if you want to call this method, how to call? Make default method object. Control C. A simple title. New default method dot play. I have a method play. Once you write this type, and then you can getting the output like hello, I am playing. Okay. So this is our output. Okay. So this is exactly what is default methods. Default method. Think. Okay. Now, if child class not satisfy parent class body, then child class have to privilege to redefine parent class body. So this is nothing but overriding. Yes, guys, we can override default class method as well. How to override? Simple. We can take a method public void play, and system.out.println. I am not playing. Okay, so we can override this method. Okay, inside one you run this program. Here you can say output is I am not playing. Okay, so default method. Hope you understand what is default method. Now moving back to definition. What is default method? Without affecting implementation of class. If you want to add a new method to the interface, this is called default method. Okay. So you can take simple abstract class, no problem. You can take default. If you take default method, then compulsory will provide a method of compulsory provide a definition of the default method. Now, for more clarity, we can take one more example of default method. How default method will be executed? How default method will be work? Okay. So guys, simple. Mm, I removed. Okay, you can take. Okay. This is default method. Now inside interface, I take a simple normal method, and this method is always public abstract. Public abstract. And implementation class have to provide definition of public abstract method. We know that this is a concept of core Java concept. Now I take simple public void do sum. Public void do sum and do sum and int take suppose int a. It take int a argument. Okay. Okay. This is our simple normal method, and this normal method is public stack. Hence, implementation class have to provide definition of this do sum method. So here you can say that error will become compile time error, and we can implement this method. So here I have to implement this method, and you can implement anything like that. System.out.println and system.out.println from is okay, and we can take a plus a. Okay. Now, how to call this method? Inside main method, you have to call this method. How to call? And new 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 do sum and new first of make object new default method dot. I have to call do sum method. Over here I pass argument 25. So we can take a sum is 50. Okay. So this is exactly what is the default method. Default method means simple, without affecting implementation classes. If you want to add a new method to the interface, this is called default method. Okay. This without affecting. If you want to add new method, here I can add. If you want to not, if you don't want to interest this method of calling, simply you go over here and remove all the things. Remove, and this is also you can remove. No problem at all. Okay, no problem. As your output is still 25. So this is no any effect whether you use or not. Okay, and one more property is default method you should only use interface, because interface concept default method only use in interfaces. Okay, and we can say that default method is a dummy implementation. We can use or not use, it totally depend upon it. Guys, we can use or not use, it totally depend upon it. If you want to use, then make object, then you can create it. If you want to override default method, so guys, this is all about of default method inside interfaces. So in next video, I discuss about what is private method, what is static method. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share. Thank you.